Could you outline for us the chain of events that led to this morning's proclamation?
When I first met the Tunku at 12:30 on Saturday morning, I was still not convinced that in spite of everything Dr. Goh had told me, because he had been for a few days in discussion with the Malaysian ministers, I did not believe that there was no other way. I believed then that I could still convince the Tunku that there were a number of other ways of reducing communal tensions in Malaysia, such as a looser federation. You know, even at the time when I was just beginning my discussions with him, I found it hard to believe that there was no other way. And I knew from what he said, and he has an intuition about these matters, that we would all be in for big communal trouble if Singapore, or if I and my colleagues insisted on going on with Malaysia as it is. I would say that Tunku convinced me when he told me that he could not go on holding the situation much longer, and that he could see real trouble in Malaysia if Singapore continues to be in it. You see, this is a moment of, you know, every time we look back on this moment when we signed this agreement which severed Singapore from Malaysia, it will be a moment of anguish. I mean, for me, it is a moment of anguish because all my life you see, the whole of my adult life I had believed in Malaysia, in merger and the unity of these two territories. You know, as a people connected by geography, economics, and ties of kinship, would you mind if we stop for a while?